Oh, sorry.
Show her which
Tell
one's
me
your
what they
favorite.
are.
Is that one your favorite? Which one are you going to hang up in your room?
This one.
We'll show Mom on the camera.
Who sent these to you?
Chocodozo.
Well, what are they?
Abogadapo.
Hold them still. Oh, wow.
Abogado.
Is that an armored excavator?
Dump it into a dump truck?
Where are those from, Henry?
Where are those from? Yeah. Henry, where is Paw Paw that he took all these pictures to send to you?
Oh. Is that goofball for Iraq? What do you say to Paw Paw, Henry? Thank you, Paw Paw. These are pretty cool.
Well, can you show him which one's your favorite one?
Oh, whoa. This one.
That one's your favorite one?
Yes.
Cool.
I'm hanging up in my room.
You're hanging up in your room?
Pretty neat.
Right here.
Alright, bub.